Tree, Asian pear, 2 fruit this year. Only 2 fruit. Hawaiian Logan. This is supposed to be the Asian guava, white one. And this is the white guava. This one is really big. The fruit is really huge. Got some red grape growing. A little bit of my backyard tour here. A bunch of fruits. Look at that. This is the pink guava. Yep. I don't know what this is called, but in Cambodian it's called slugba. Yeah, sapota. Sapota. So I got a little bit of tropical fruit tree. This is lychee. It's starting the fruit. See the little fruit right there. Right there. Another Asian. This one got from Home Depot. This mix. I think 3 different varieties, but it's only showing 2. About 8 or 9 fruit here. This is the Jujube, the AG866. Supposed to be sweet. I just plant this today. It's a crab apple mixed with Fuji, passed down from my dad today. And here is the mango, my mango tree. You can see a little fruit here, starting to fruit here. We'll see. I don't know if it's gonna hold off or not, but that's what I got. The fruit, and this is the brand. Nam Dok Mai. It doesn't sound like Thai, so hell no. It's more like Vietnam. Nothing's Thai. Logan tree. My sister. Yeah. Another mango tree. It's a mango tree here. This one is Mankunsai. That does sound like more like Thai now. I got another mango tree. My Asian banana. Man, don't know when it's gonna fruit, but this little sprout was coming out. I had to spot 3 of them. Of course, every Asian house must have persimmon. I don't see any fruit this year. It was fruit last year. I got 8 or 9 of them, but the squirrel decided to rob me. But anyhow, that's the lemongrass. More guava tree. Just cut all these right now today. Oh boy, I don't like this flower. Okay, this is the white grape. And that's a sad bitter melon. I got 1 fruit, bitter melon. Here, I got wax apple. A lot of fruit, but I don't know. The tree's kind of small. Got a lot of wax apple. I think it's too much fruit. I need to clean up probably. Too much grass. A lime tree. And she's on my plant again. Yuki. She's on my recliner.
How much is that?
This is good.
Alright.
No, that's good.
Yep, this is our family little 4th of July barbecuing. Okay.
It's a family barbecue.
I think soon, because my dogs are by themselves. One of my dogs gets really scared of the fireworks. same way.
All right.
Burn chicken.
Burnt.
Burn chicken. Hi, Diamond.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ethan. Hi, Nathan.
Hello. Hi, Mintoy.
Hi. Oh.
Hi, Judy. My baby.
You cold, baby?
Ah, who's that?
Yesterday, every day when I try. Other side of the backyard. Oh, forgot to mention I have sugar cane. Every Cambodian house should have sugar cane, right? I don't think I know how to grow it though. People say I need to take all this really just leave it the stem only. Nah. Well, I don't eat it anyway. Just grow it. But this is this year. Winter melon, baby. Look at that. It's growing. We got plenty of it. It's my storage shed. Yesterday, every day. Yeah, I'm sitting on a half-acre lot. It's pretty big. Cherimoya. It's my cherimoya tree, grown from seed. It's about 2 feet tall. All right, Allison. You can hold your breath, huh, baby? My wife's favorite flower. All right. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I'll see you out in the water tomorrow. Okay. Another competition today. This time different. I don't have my fishing partner with me today. Just the wife and I against 3 fishing guys. I put my phone in. Okay, I gotta take everything off. Trying to get bait still. So far we got 2 bluegill and my wife caught 1 catfish. We let it go already. Crazy. 1 catfish here. This water. Brackish water. We're in this little cul-de-sac. It's a good spot, but no, seems to be no bait. Nothing, honey.
No.
I mean, we gotta change spot. We gotta go look for bait. Okay.
To press.
Got one. Oh shit. You hit on tule perch, right? I mean, what do you call it? There it is. See, look. What the fuck is that?
Oh,
Right here.
what is it?
Striper.
Head
shaker. There it is. There it is.
You need net?
Ah, I don't think so. Oh shit. Oh, fuck.
Careful.
I got it. Got a soft spot here. He's small.
It's a keeper.
Oh, gone.
Oh, again.
Oh my God.
Today.
Fucking 3 fish already. Okay, turn it off. Oh shit. Oh, come on. Don't. Oh, what the heck?
What
the heck?
happened?
It went in the bush.
Oh.
Darn it. What the heck? Oh, it came off. Oh my God. Turn it off. Oh my God, that was quick. Oh, look. My stupid little hook.
What happened?
Snapped my hook. Oh man. Fuck. Hooking again. You gotta drop lower. Little boat coming in. Little boat coming in. Come on, fishing girl. Come on. Hook something. I don't even know what marina we're at here. Trying to get bait. Bait's so hard to get right now. Put closer to the dock. Yep. Sea Pro for sale. Now just relaxing. Yep. I got my canopy up. Just waiting for the takedown. Fish some bait into the side here and cast it out there. I can't believe I missed like freaking 4 today. It's crazy. Have my little snack sandwich. I got some freaking bluegill today. Bluegill.
Maybe it's a season.
Yeah. I'll save these bluegills so you can drift them. Damn, it's fucking swimming. Man, they were taking it down earlier and now it's slowed down. There's a spectacular view. Yeah, I'm gonna get some bait first and I go out there. At 1:30. I'll stick to my time. Oh, got it. It's fucking soft rod. Is it swimming in? Is it tiny or what? Oh man, what is this? Must be a tiny one. What the hell? Golly, man. What the heck, dude? Oh my God.
What happened?
Lost again. What the heck is going on? Shit. Oh my God. Bitch, button by net. Where the hell's going? I don't know how big it is, but it's small probably. Oh. Got him this time. Hey, why does it feel so light? It's swimming in or what? Small probably.
Well,
Jeez.
let's see.
Yeah, right here. Come on, where you at? Right here, look. He's small. Look. I don't want to lose this one. Hey, give me a net.
The net is way over there. Just reel it up.
Head shaker again.
Yeah.
It's fucking small. Come here. Come here, fucker. Here we go.
Good size.
We swallowed it. All right.
Oh,
They're all small.
then
So Tommy. Okay. Woo! That's it. Look at that. Nothing. Look at this. Here on bluegill. Only bluegill. This is the bluegill spot. I just found this spot. My new spot. Alright, man. There's another one. There we go. Look how big the bait is. See? About 3 finger size. 3 fingering. There it is. No wonder he didn't feel anything. Didn't feel too tight. I got one, Andy. Nothing big. Let's see how many inch. We'll measure real quick.
keeper.
That's a keeper. 21
Okay.
and a half inch.
Throw away the catfish already. Replace it with
21
a
and a half inch.
striper.
Now I need another big one. See if I can use a bigger bait. A bigger bait. Got it. All right, got it. Oh, there you go. There you go. Here you go. Go back up and give me that.
The net.
The net. Shit. Oh, good fly, honey. Good fly. Honey, please, hurry. Hurry. Oh.
Gotta get the net. The net.
Come on, honey.
Here, I don't know if you have.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, yes, son. You want me to hold it?
Yeah, here. Hold the fish, okay? Hold the fish. Hold here. Hold up here. Hold it. Just put your hand on it. Real. Okay, you land it. All right, honey. Go the other way. Good job. All right, honey. Good fly. Oh, shoot. What the heck? Oh, okay. Oh, one more. Yeah, baby. We got it. Oh, good job, honey. Woo. What do you say to that?
Oh, that's a good size.
Yeah. I think those guys are in trouble.
Yeah, give me the net.
Wait up.
I'll take it back.
Oh boy. All right. Wait up. It's caught on this hook right here. I put it on the side. All right. Move this rod out of the way. Rod's all over the place. I can't put it down. The rod too long. Oh well.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go, honey. Okay. Woo. I'm not gonna soak. Look at this. My wife caught it, boy. My wife caught this one. What's up? Guy got outfished by a lady. We'll see. Oh shoot, man, this one fat, huh? Ah, come on. How's that? Good size? Yeah. Let's see. Let's measure it, huh? Let's measure it. Let's measure this baby. You want to snap a picture and just let him be jealous? Huh? My wife caught it. See how big it is. I get in a measurement tape.
You want the tape?
No, I got it.
Right here.
Okay. Hey, hold your camera.
I am.
Okay, here. I got it. All right, let's see how big it is. Oh, well, let's see. Oh, it is, I say about, they're in trouble again. 30 inch.
Oh, wow, that's good.
30 inch? 30 inch, baby. 30 inch. Okay? All right.
Can you snap your picture?
Yeah, snap a picture. You can send it to me.
Okay. Nice.
Come on.
Nice.
We'll see. Can you forfeit that? Nah, good job, honey. You caught it. I net it. All right. You guys got outbeat by a lady today. Sok and a nang. All right. Let's see. This is my two rod. Yeah, that's your rod. Oh boy, in trouble. Holy shit, this one's big. This one's bigger. Oh, I can't even control this one, honey. I need more money. Oh, look at that. Look at the color of that one. Oh!
Oh, what happened?
It shook the mouth. Oh shit, look at that thing, Winnie. Holy shit. Big one. Oh shit. It came off.
Dạ con xì này.
No, he swallowed it, but the big is too big. Tom Dominic. I see him. It's okay. Okay. Go back on it again. It's right there. Oh, I like this spot. Man, didn't bust long. Oh, I'm having excitement, huh? Excitement, boys. Nang, ơi. Almost in double trouble. Well, that one over there shouldn't be too long then. Okay, let's turn it off. Oh, got it. Oh, fucking big. This one. Oh, truly. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. He's trying to shake his head again, honey. Oh, right here. Oh, big one, big one, big one. Get ready. Oh, yeah, I got him. Got him. Oh, shoot.
You want me to hold the reel?
What the hell? Oh,
No. Here.
I got him.
Come on.
Oh, got him.
Jeez.
Woo! Got another one, Andy. Bluegill. Woo! Get in trouble. Please do not trouble. This one a little bit smaller.
It's a good size. Though. Well, your biggest so far is the other one.
Yep. Yeah. All right, let me see if I can get that. Is there Andy? Damn, the other one way bigger than this one. What's up, Andy? I caught another one. Fuck yeah, this one's a little bit, man, the other one is bigger than this one, but this one's
This
okay.
one's fat.
It's fat though. Fucking,
We just caught another one.
oh,
Yes.
yeah, bluegill. You hit on bluegill, Andy? Look at that. Let's see how, where's the measuring?
Measurement
Here, I'll measure right
over
here.
there.
20, this one's
Okay.
25. 20, 25 half, 25 and a half. Okay, man. They're hitting right here. You'll see me. All right, baby.
Picture?
Look at that. Look at that. You caught one, I caught one. Oh, that's a good size. Oh, want me in that picture? Take my picture, honey, so I can send to him. Hey, here's another one. Send another picture to him. Hey. This one? How about this one? Huh? This one? Huh?
Same position again?
Okay, how about this one? Huh? How?
Okay.
How's this one?
Okay.
25 and a half inch. 25 and a half inch, fat. All right, let's get another bluegill. Soaking the last bait. Got till, well, man, still another 40 minutes, dude. More minutes.
Oh man. Ví dụ mình vô tiêu sang được quá vậy. Hey.
Damn, there's a lot of wheat right there. Man, I don't know if there's wheat over here in my area, but it looks all open right here.
No, at your house.
Mm.
So Brandon and Jen, they want it.
Oh. I haven't picked up mine, but I picked mine up, it didn't look any wheat.
Mau pi sao mấy nhân kho xanh dùng mà? No.
And Andy's going over there.
Yeah, because
Andy, you can go out there more?
kho xanh rolling also they phải nhập there. Mấy nhân hơi lâu nó can take my phone in my home.
There you go. Measure. Yeah, let's see. I'm going slowly. I'm going slowly. All right. So where's your secret? Let's see. Mai Papana.
Bà hai kẹt lẹ. Bà hai kẹt lẹ hay.
You got your 30 and you good. You got 30 good. Yeah, you good. No, you're good, man. Yeah, I don't need to measure. I got like we got like 25 something.
Oh,
I got 3. That's
Yeah.
it. All big guy?
You got 3? That's it. All good.
yeah, no more bait.
Oh, I like to join my I found a new spot. I found a new spot.
Em mau tầm pin nè.
Đây trong năm khó rồi, đây chạy. Nè, nó chơi xem. Đi đi anh luôn. Em chất tram. Để bọn mình lui up.
Okay.
No, you know what?
Chất
Here,
tram so.
how's this? Here, do together. 150. I don't know.
Yeah, hold this.
What you do? What do you do? What do you do?
Cry.
Hey, really, crap.
What? From?
5. If he has like, he has split.
Another winner today. You guys use that? I use the same thing. Look, I'm doing your mouth. I show you. You want to see a spot where you know the?
Yeah.
I'll take you over there.
Hey, we gotta go there.
Huh?
Yeah, we gotta go. We try max.
You guys still fishing?
Why?
Yeah, I'm still gonna
You
try.
want me to take you over there real quick or
Yeah,
what?
yeah, we'll go.
I'll show you.
Yeah, we'll go by
I
drive.
know
You guys don't want to see the fish?
See what fish?
See, but không mà. You guys got 3, right?
Yeah, I got the-
Yeah. You guys
that
got
was the biggest one.
Hey, hold it. Bring it up.
Go. Start it. Push out.
Sure.
Yeah, start it.
Okay, go ahead.
You guys got
Oh!
That right there.
Stop.
Start it, push out. Yeah, push out. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, flip left.